morning HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Dharmraj Meena sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my final year batchmates. I am Dhanshri Rathod, currently pursuing my bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering, University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am pleased to be here in front of you all to deliver the presentation on my seminar topic Electricity Production from PV Cell, Current Status in India. This is going to be our list of contents. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world and has a rapidly growing demand for energy. At the same time, the country is facing significant environmental challenges such as air pollution and climate change. In recent years, India has made significant investments in renewable energy, particularly in the area of solar energy. As a result of the country has become a global leader in the adoption of PV cells from the electricity production. The need of PV cells from electricity production arises from several factors. Energy security, as traditional fossil fuel based energy sources become increasingly source and expensive, there is a growing need of alternative sources of energy. PV cells provide a clean and renewable energy source of energy that can help to reduce dependence on imported fossil fuels and improve energy security. Environmental concerns. The use of fossil fuels for energy production is a major contributor to air pollution and climate change. PV cells can provide a clean and renewable alternatives that produces no greenhouse gases, emissions or other harmful pollutants. Cost competitiveness. The cost of PV cells has declined significantly in recent years, making solar energy increasingly competitive with traditional fossil fuels based energy sources. This has been made it an attractive option for countries and businesses looking to reduce energy cost. Energy access. In many parts of the world, access to electricity is limited or non-existent. PV cells can provide a decentralized and distributed source of energy that can be used to power homes, businesses and communities in remote or off-grid areas. A PV cell, also known as a cell, is a device that converts sunlight into electrical energy. PV cells are made of semiconducting materials such as silicon that absorb photons from the sun and releases electrons which are collected as direct current electricity. The current status of PV cells from electricity production in India, along with government policies and targets for 2023. Capacity. As of December 2021, India had a cumulative installed solar capacity of 49.5 gigawatt with an additional 36.7 gigawatt under implementations and 32.7 gigawatt under various stages of tendering. The government target is to achieve 100 gigawatt of solar capacity by 2022 and 450 gigawatt by 2030. Policy support. The Indian government has introduced several policies and initiatives to promote solar energy, including the National Solar Missions, the Solar Park Scheme, the Rooftop Solar Scheme and the Kishan Urja Surakshan Evam Uthan Mahabhiyan, called Kusum Scheme. These policies provide financial incentives, tax benefits and other supports for the development and deployment of solar energy. Market trends. The solar energy market in India has seen significant growth in recent years, with solar tariffs reaching record lows due to competitive bidding and technological advancement. The market is dominated by large-scale utility projects, but there is also growing market for rooftop solar installation. Challenges. Despite the growth in solar energy in India, there are several challenges that must be addressed, including the intermittency of solar energy, the need of energy storage solutions, and availability of financing for small-scale solar projects. Future perspectives. The future perspectives for PV cell in India are promising, with the government targets of 100 gigawatts of solar capacity by 2022 likely to be exceeded. The government has also set a target of installing 280 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2023, of which 100 gigawatt is to be come from solar energy. As of September 2021, the installed capacity by source in the utility sector in India was as follows. Advantages offered by PV cells are renewable energy source. PV cell generated electricity from sunlight, which is a renewable and abundant energy source. This means that they can produce electricity without depleting natural resources such as fossil fuels and can provide a sustainable source of energy from the energy for the future. Low operating cost. PV cell require minimal maintenance once installed and have a long lifespan, usually 25 to 30 years or more. This means that they can provide a cost-effective source of electricity over the long term, particularly when compared to traditional fossil fuels power plants. Environmental benefits. PV cell produce electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or other harmful pollutants, which can help to mitigate the impacts of climate change and reduce air pollution. Here are some disadvantages of PV cells. Weather dependent. The output of PV cell is dependent on sunlight, which means that electricity production can be affected by weather conditions such as cloud cover, rain and snow. This can cause the fluctuation in electricity, which can be problematic for some applications. Upfront cost. While the operating cost of PV cell are relatively low, the upfront cost of purchasing, installing the equipment can be significant. This can make it is difficult for some individuals or organizations to adopt the solar energy. Land use. Large-scale solar power plants require significant land use, which can be concerned in densely populated areas or areas with limited available land, limited energy storage. PV cell can only generate electricity during daylight hours, which means that energy storage solutions such as batteries are needed to provide electricity when the sun is not shining. However, current energy storage technology are still limited and can be costly. The future scope of PV cells for electricity production is very promising. Here are some potential developments that could shape the future of PV cells. Increased efficiency. Researchers are continually working to improve the efficiency of PV cell, which will allow for greater electricity production from a smaller surface area. This could make solar energy more cost effective and reduce land use requirements. Energy storage solution. As energy storage technology advances, it will become increasingly possible to store excess electricity generated by PV cell. During the night or during times of low sunlight, this could help to address the intermittency issues of solar energy and improve energy reliability. New materials. Researchers are exploring new materials that could be used in PV cells, such as perovskite, which have the potential to improve efficiency and reduce cost. Grid integration. As more PV cells are installed, it will become increasingly important to integrate them into existing electrical grids. Now coming to the references slides. These are references from where I have done my researches from. Now coming to the end, I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you.